What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your boy named Yakov Carney, and I'm back with a brand new video. So today we're going to be unboxing Amazon stuff from Amazon, and I'm so sorry if I'm talking like this. I'm just like really tired. I didn't go to sleep right, and I put rosemary in my hair, trying to grow my hair out, and so far it makes my hair curly, but I'm trying to grow my hair, and this is trying to cover my head. So let's not talk about myself right now. Let's talk about me opening and unboxing some my things I got from Amazon. So I got this. We don't know what's inside the box. I got this, but I don't know what the hell this is. It's a big one. And we also have this one. So the first thing I'm going to open is some. I think I'm going to unbox this one. If you can see that. Cool. This is so awesome. What's inside it? Who knows what's inside it? And then we got some heavy chain for heavy metals, if you know what I mean. And what else we got inside it? Another one. Oh, cool. We got this stuff for the necklace that I'm going to fix. So this is awesome. Let's see what else we got. Let's see, we got this. This is so cool. This is something, I don't know what the hell this is, but it's actually like I think it's something for your teeth or something like that. I don't know. Comment below about that. And then we got, let's see what we got here. Oh wow, this is so cool. So what I got here, see what I got here. I'm not strong enough. Oh, scissors. We got scissors, my bad. We got scissors. Oh, cool. That's awesome. Alright, so much freaking mess. So we got this. We got this. We got that. Bada bing, bada boom. So I hope you guys like this video, and honestly. And I want to show you what's in the box on this. So I'm gonna try to open this. Wait, I want to show what it looks like inside it. Oh, this thing is annoying to freaking open sometimes. Perfect. So this is so cool. So you guys are wondering, what the hell is this? So this is a really special. It's like something that you put in your teeth or something like that when you're flushing or something. I don't know how to pronounce it. My bad. My English sucks. So I got that. So that's a cool thing. And then I got some this. I don't know what the fuck is this not opening. Dang. This thing is annoying to open sometimes. The hell. Alright. We got this. Better open. Oh wow. This is so cool. Honestly, this is so cool. Like, I wish it. Wait, let me see if it fits in my pocket. Let me show you what it looks like. If I'm like, let me go over here. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, cool. Let me see. So if I go like, wait, so I want to go like this, and then this one goes over here. Oh shit, my bad. Wait, let's see if this works. Oh, cool. I still have room for it. It's fucking awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that face on me. My bad. So we got that. What else we got? We got some. Says items sold as a set. Do not break open. That's what it says. So let's see what it looks like. If you guys can see that. Again, I'm so sorry. My bad. Wait, give me a second. Alright, perfect. So we're gonna open this box perfectly so I don't cut my hand. Good. Ooh, we got some good stuff here. Alright, so if you guys are wondering why I got this, I have a problem with my gums right now, and I have gum disease. So it's actually good this is good for gum repair. So if you guys ever had issues with your teeth, and you started having headaches on your neck, and you have a headache right here, definitely get this for your teeth so they can repair your gums. So this is right there, repair your gums. So I got a bunch of them. I got like 1, 2, and 3, and that's actually good. I fuck with that. Let's see what I got also. So this is so cool. Give me a second. So we got this special thing. You go to the stores and they give you, they open this special gold stuff and they break it in half like this. So this is so cool. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually fucking cool. I fuck with that. And don't take me wrong, I was thinking about, like, I have a My Chemical, my bad. I have a My Chemical Romance. I have a My Chemical Romance necklace right here, and I was thinking about making this like a necklace. It's actually a bracelet, but I want to convert it to be a My Chemical Romance. So the next time I'm gonna make a short video on this, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on this. So that's My Chemical Romance, and I'm gonna convert it to a necklace. But you guys are wondering what kind of necklace I'm gonna put it on. That's a good question. So I was thinking about putting this on this. So this is gonna be like totally awesome to put a necklace, and it's gonna fit like awesome. So that's freaking amazing. So I hope you guys like this video, and this is my room actually. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys give me comments below, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful National Emo Day yesterday. I got like 23 views on my YouTube video, and I hope you guys like it. So check that out, Emo National Day. Check that out, and I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing stuff. And sorry if I didn't talk that much. So subscribe.